Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today's video comes to us from the greatest medical Instagram page of all time. It's aptly titled, @Greatest Medical. And coming up, more pops from this video. You're going to want to stick around for the big pop at the end. But first are these two amateur pops. Leave a comment below. Should we post more amateur pops? Here's a pop-in clip that got over 24,000 views. Click like for that. This picture is worth 1,000 words. On the left is a 250-pound woman, and on the right is a 120-pound woman. The additional fat surrounding her internal organs is one reason for concern. Let's zoom in on the heavier woman's heart. The yellow area represents fat deposits. You can see where that would be a strain on her circulation. Now, let's look at a few more pops. Also, this man's fungal nail has reached epic proportions. Wow. Now a bit more from our original clip. It'll continue after the Thinnergy video. I'll leave a link to the Instagram page below. It's the best, guaranteed.
Hey everybody out there, Heath Childs. I just want to take a moment to talk to you about a product I found that's helped me kind of get to a plateau. I kind of reached a plateau on my weight loss, and the name of that product is Thinnergy. The product can be found at Amazon.com, and I believe it's $30 for the bottle of 60 caplets. I started losing weight in January. I decided that it was something I needed to do to change my life, that I had got to a point where I didn't feel comfortable anymore, and it was hard to move, and I've lost about 50 pounds since January. But I got to a point about 2 months ago where I kind of reached a plateau, and I was working out 3 to 5 days a week. I was eating correctly, I was eating the proper things, but I kind of reached a plateau. I needed something to push me to the next level, and I found this product, Thinnergy. It kind of gave me that extra little boost of energy that I needed, and it helped me curb my appetite a little bit more, so that was able to get me through my plateau. And I've lost 15 pounds on it since started taking Thinnergy, so I said I'm right at 50 pounds lost since January. I said go on Amazon.com, look up Thinnergy, and I said it's 60 caplets for 30 bucks, not a bad deal. It will give you that extra boost of energy you need, and it will help you get to some things that you didn't know you could do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on Twitter at Heath Childs, or on Instagram at The Goat Knows. Until next time, thanks guys.
So if you're looking to lose weight and get in shape, then try Thinnergy today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.